arithmetic operates on the base 2 number system, which uses only two digits, 0 and 1. The four fundamental operations in binary are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In this lesson, we'll focus on multiplication and division. For multiplication of binary numbers, binary multiplication follows rules similar to decimal multiplication, but it's simpler because it only involves zeros and ones. Now the basic rule are, let's say our binary multiplication and our results. Now 0 times 0 will give you 0. 0 times 1 will give you 0. 1 times 0 will give you 0. Then 1 times 1 will give you 1. Now, what are the steps for binary multiplication? Binary multiplication is performed similarly to decimal multiplication, but it only involves shifts and addition. Now, let's look at an example. Now let's say, for example now, we want to multiply 101 base 2 and 11 base 2. Now how do we do this? We say 101 base 2 times 11 base 2. 1 times 1 will give you what? 1. 1 times 0 will give you 0. 1 times 1 will give you 1. Then come here. 1 times 1 will give you 1. 1 times 0 will give you 0. 1 times 1 again will give you 1. Then we add. Now there is nothing here, so the 1 will bring it down. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Then this one will bring it down. So we are having 111, 1111 base 2. Base 2. This is our final answer. Now let's dive into division of binary numbers. Binary division follows the same principle as decimal division, using repeated subtraction or long division. What are the steps for binary division? First, compare the divisor with the dividend to determine how many times it fits. Secondly, perform subtraction when possible. Thirdly, bring down the next bit and repeat the process. Fourthly, continue until all bits have been processed. Now let's look at an example. So let's say we want to divide 1010 base 2 by 10 base 2. Now how do we do this? 1010 base 2. If we convert this now to decimal, we'll be having 10. If we convert 10, this 10 we are having here, we convert it to decimal, we'll be having 2. So when we convert this, and we are having 10, and then we convert this, and we are having 2. It's simple to divide. We'll say 10 divided by 2. Now if 2 go into 10, it will give us what? 5. We will not stop here. We'll convert back to binary. Now, how do we convert back? Okay, we'll say 5, 2. 2 into 5 will give us 2 remainder 1. 2 into 2 will give us 1 remainder 0. 2 into 1 will give us 0 remainder 1. We go up like this. We take the numbers upward. This first, this second, and then this third. So we are left with what? Our final answer will be 101 base 2. To understand more on how to convert, please watch my video on conversion.